Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to do a haul. I haven't done one of these in a very long time on my channel, so I thought it would be a good idea. And I went to Target to buy, I think, 2 things. And I came out with a whole bunch of stuff. So, first thing I got is the Flamingo Pomelo Silver. And it has 1 razor handle, 2 cartridges, and 1 shower holder. This is how it looks. And then I got some cartridges to put in it, and this whole 4 cartridges. They were really affordable. This was $9.99 and this was, I think, $9.99 also, the cartridges. And if you watch Aaliyah's face, she's the one that used that in her, I think, her shower routine, and I said I had to get it because I feel like I need new razors. Then I got this Shea Sugar Scrub. It's in Moroccan Rose. It's Tree Hut, from Tree Hut. This is how it looks. I actually got this because I really wanted the Lulus Holistic Body Scrub, but everything is sold out right now. And I'm so sad because my body butter is almost done. So yeah, that's why I got this one. But once Lulus Holistic restock, I'm gonna get theirs to try out also. And if you guys are wondering, I'll leave my coupon code for Lulus Holistic if you guys want. Then I got the Batery Let's Spa This is the exfoliating cloth. Yeah, it says you use it to exfoliate your skin. I also got some exfoliating gloves to use with the body scrub. That's why I got those. And then I got some Down There wipes, the good wipes. This is the rose water one, and it has 16 convenient wipes. I'm gonna give birth, so I'm gonna need stuff like this. Also, I went in Target because I wanted to try out the Honey Pot feminine wash. It's a black owned brand in Target, and it was completely sold out. So let's move on to makeup stuff. I got the new Noir CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. I hope this was waterproof mascara. I keep getting regular mascara and they break down way too easily for me. Up to 24 hours wear. This is how it looks. I got some Sonia Keshik makeup blender, makeup sponge. I always hear people talking about this one, so I got them. I got some Pond's cold cream, some Pond's dry skin cream, because my moisturizer is finishing, and I normally use the Cetaphil. So, and then I got the Pixie Glow Tonic. I used to use this a lot, and when I look back on my picture pre-Kai, my skin was amazing, and I was using this as a toner, benzoyl peroxide, and my acne.org alpha hydroxy moisturizer, and my skin was amazing. Okay, and I was using black soap on my face. Like, sometimes I look at those pictures and I'm just like, I need my skin back. Like Kai, when I got pregnant with Kai, it did a number on my skin. Okay, he really did. And then I got the e.l.f. concealer brush, and I got the small angle brush. I actually got these brushes to do my nails with, especially the concealer one. I got those to do my nails with, actually. From e.l.f. I got the lip lacquer, and I'm actually wearing this one. This is in Moody, and the other one is in Wild Rose. This is how they look. I actually have Moody on, and I actually really like how they feel. They're very smooth. I like them so far. Let's hope they don't give me doo-doo mouth, because some lip gloss tend to do that. I have the Sultry Sienna 250 lipstick from CoverGirl. Let's see. How does it look like? This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty nude pink. That's exactly why I picked it up. And then I got 3 colors. I don't know why the hell I picked up this light ass color, but anyways, I picked up 3 colors of the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer. I actually got this one to contour with, but this looks a mess. This don't look like it's gonna contour anything. This is really light. Really. And I don't think they had all the shades in store. So this is probably why I picked this craziness up. Whatever. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. That color is Deep Cinnamon. I must have been blind. Also, when you go into these stores, the lighting is very weird. This is medium beige. Deep olive. So this one is in deep olive. Medium beige is this middle one, and then the top one is deep cinnamon. I can use all 3 of them, so that's good. But I don't know why I got that deep cinnamon color, thinking I was gonna contour with it. It's definitely not that dark. I got 2 foundations, well 3. I got the NYX Born to Glow foundation. Everybody and their mom have been talking about this. Is a dupe for the Fenty hydrating foundation, and it definitely didn't have all the colors in store. So I got Neutral Tan and Mahogany. Let's see these colors. This is a no-go for sure. What is life? So this is neutral tan, and the other one right here is mahogany. I'm probably gonna have to mix both of them to get my color, but whatever. I'm always mixing foundations anyways. So this is the mix. It's very neutral. Then I got the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, and this is in 510. I used to love the L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation, even though I had a dry skin, so I wanted to see. Well, this is a bit yellow, thank God. And I got this in 510. I hope you guys can see it. This is it right here. This probably look like my perfect shade. If it is, I'm gonna be super happy. I like the consistency also. It reminds me of NARS Natural Creamy Radiant Foundation. That's the vibe I'm getting from it. A little haul, Target haul. I'm definitely gonna come back and review the both the NYX and the L'Oreal foundation, and possibly the ELF concealer in a video, so look out for that. Comment if you want to see that in the comment section. Yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.